lunchtime. We've come to the vegetable village here in Hoi An, which is where we met our school groups the first time we met them. There's a few people staying here. There's quite a few places to stay. There's places to eat, but it's really amazing, and we wanted to come back again. It's like a big vegetable garden basically on a little island in the middle of Hoi An, and they just grow their own vegetables. And I'm not sure how it works yet. We'll probably find that out. But they look so beautiful, so neat and tidy. There's always restaurants around where you can actually eat the produce that's grown here. So we're going to have a little walk around in the sun. Cute, aren't they? There's a lot of them.
We've just walked into Vegetable Village, isn't it?
Yep, that's it.
And we've come along a lot of chickens. And we've come along a papaya tree. And Dad's stretching.
So I've been told also what they do here is they do cooking classes so that you can I think actually you can do like gardening classes too, so you can help to garden, help to plant some crops, harvest crops I guess maybe as well, and then you can cook what you've collected as well, which is a really lovely idea. I think it's it's like an allotment, but I've never seen an allotment so neat and tidy in all my life. Look at these, and they're gorgeous vegetables, different things. I don't know what they mean. There's obviously lettuce and different things growing here, cabbages, there's herbs, and it just goes on as far as I can see really. I think that's rocket, and then that looks like coriander, and then this looks like, I don't know, some other sort of salad herb. There's lettuce, there's mint here. I don't know what this one is. And then there's got different salad vegetables. There's cabbages here. All of it looks good too, you know, and it's just so neat, so well manicured. Looks like there's garlic over there growing. We're going to go and find somewhere to eat now so we can taste some of these vegetables. It's like a cooking class I think going on here. They've all got their hats on. Not a cooking class. They're obviously not cooking in the garden. It's some sort of gardening class. Syria. Papayas are everywhere around here. There's bananas over there as well growing. But yeah, it seems to be papaya trees just all along the path for some reason. Lunchtime. Is it nice? So, this is our little place. There's a garden area here with other rooms which have been empty since we got here. This is where we are, up in there, upstairs. Up there. And then this is our area. Got some fish, very fat fish. And we've got an area we can sit and eat, and then this is our street. A bit of a main road over there, and then the beach is down that way. Come out exploring on the bike, just having a little look around. We've come to the end of Hoi An, really, I think. We found this cool restaurant. Do you want to get a drink? Yeah? Jai, come in the boat. Say hello. Fishing or something here. That's a sort of fishing net. Since being in Vietnam, I have developed slightly unhealthy obsession with coffee. I remember when I was here years and years ago, I was here like 25 years ago, and I got addicted to Vietnamese coffee then, and I'm back on it. It's like an addiction. I'm having at least 5 or 6 coffees a day, which is way more than normal. And the thing is, they're really, really strong too. So they're strong, super strong, and super sweet. So it's actually stronger than normal coffee that we have in the UK, espressos. Plus, they have the sweetened condensed milk in there, so they're really strong and really sweet and really, really addictive. And I'm drinking so much of it, like walking around the streets buzzing all day. But I'm loving it. It's the only bad thing I have really here. I haven't been drinking for a while. I'm not eating loads of sweets and things like that, but it's just the sugar and the caffeine is keeping me going, actually. Doing some shopping from the market today. This is our local market. There's some really nice fruits and vegetables here. And then there's like meat over there. Lots of stuff I'm not sure what it is, and there's clothes and there's everything we need really. We just need to get some more bananas and something else for lunch for Jai for school.
Right, Jai, what are you saying? Look at this. Big mannequins.
We're about to go on a coconut boat tour with the school lot. It's full moon today, so in full moon in Hoi An they have like a one-off every month. They do a lantern festival down by the river, so we're doing that. We're going to go on the boat, we're going to release some lanterns, and we're going to join in the fun. Yeah, that would make me seasick, I think. Okay, yeah.
Here we come. We're going to bump.
Bump. Whales and sharks.
Crocodiles.
Yeah.
Poor old Ryan, he always gets it, doesn't he? Oh, little line up, life jackets.
So every full moon, the Hoi An Lantern Festival happens, and everyone lights lanterns sets them in the river and makes a wish, and it's really beautiful. It's just like little lanterns everywhere floating down the river. So we're gonna set some lanterns off into the river. So today I'm trying egg coffee for the first time, which is a bit of a speciality around here, and I'm looking forward to trying it. The coffee addiction continues. It's delicious. Okay, we've got rid of Jai for the day. Jai's at school.
Kath and Jeff time.
And we're having a day without him. We're back in the old town, the ancient town, and we're going to have a proper explore, because last time we were here, Jai got fed up pretty quickly. So we can actually have a good look around, take our time, and yeah, have some lunch.
Enjoy.
And enjoy. Child-free day. Walking down a few little narrow laneways in the old town.
Just some of the shops in Old Town. This place, look, all masks. It's really nice. And they're making them.
We've sat down for some lunch. We're up high, looking over the river in the old town, and it's really beautiful. There's some karaoke going on. They love their karaoke, don't they?
Yeah.
Here, karaoke
Annoying.
constantly. It can get very annoying, and it's always full volume, and they're always really bad. It's just over there somewhere. It's awful. It's quite funny though. But look how gorgeous it is sitting here. It's really beautiful.
Hoi An Old Town. Our feast without Jai's just turned up. Yeah. Look at this. Rice paper, so we've got to roll them up with the vegetables. And pork, and that's chicken. Oh yeah. Lots of hot spicy sauces as well. So more to our feast, this just turned up. Fresh vegetable spring rolls. How nice does that look? Oh yeah, all with that view.
Stopping for an egg coffee to feed my addiction. It's a pretty cool coffee shop here in the old town, and a really nice view of the road. We're just sitting by the road, watching them all go by. Ready for my second or third really egg coffee of the day, isn't it? I think.
Yep.
I do have a problem.
Yeah.
This is the cafe that we're having a coffee in. Look at all this cool stuff. Wow, it's amazing here. Tree up there. My coconut, not coconut, what is it? My egg coffee. Look at that! Happy egg coffee. And this is to cleanse the palate afterwards, apparently, which I didn't have in the last place.
Look at this, I've got a teapot with my ginger tea.
Ginger tea.
Nice.
Posh ginger tea. We're back in the old town. We came here today because we need to get some passport photos for our Cambodian visa. Because we need to get an e-visa. It's all very complicated. Visas, I hate getting visas. They stress me out. They do my head in. But basically, we were going to get a Cambodian visa on arrival at the border because we're going on bus. So it's a land crossing, land border. But we need to have US dollars to buy the visa on arrival, which they're impossible to get here, and you've got to exchange it. So we're going to lose so much money in the exchange. Anyway, so I decided to go for an e-visa, which I need to do online, and it means I need to get passport photos. Quite frankly, it's just stressing me out, but it's okay because we come here. We've got the passport photos done, and I'm having a coffee, and everything will be all right once I've had my super strong, super sweet Vietnamese coffee. So for today's coffee experience, I'm just going for a traditional Vietnamese coffee, which is like a mega strong one in the condensed milk. Is that what you think?
I'm just alright with my ginger tea. It's not as nice as the one I had yesterday though.
No?
No, it's a bit sweeter. It's good, but the other one was better.
Good. And Jai, what have you got?
He's got covered in chocolate.
Covered in chocolate. Pano chocolat. And what are you drinking?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Double chocolate hit today for Jai. Good morning. This morning we're going to Marble Mountain.
Don't get me.
Looking good, yeah. Which is about a 20 or 30 minute drive up towards Da Nang, so it's not too far. We're going to go on the bike. I think there's like a hilltop viewpoint. There's some caves. There's Buddhas and temples. So hopefully it's not raining today, but it's not. It's still cloudy, it's still overcast, but hopefully it will clear up. We'll be able to get some really beautiful views of the area. Alright. Just arrived at Marble Mountain. We're going to have a walk up. Looks like you. There's statues everywhere. Big ones, little ones. Giant ones. It's very busy here. Coaches are coming in, buses. It's very, very touristy. We're going to go and get the tickets now. We are going to go and get the elevator because it is really, obviously it's a mountain, it's really high, but apparently there's hundreds of steps and it's really hard work and it's not always easy to walk, so we thought we're going to be a little bit lazy because we're old and we've got a 7-year-old, so that's our excuse. Big queues for the elevator already. Very high. Alright, so we're up at the top. Well, we're not at the top, we're up at the top of the elevator. Chai's off already. You having fun, Jai? Right, let's go. We're gonna go in there. Wow, what a cool little cave. It's a bit slippery.
Jai, where are we? So we're inside the cave. Big skylight up there. And that's one way in. And we just came down up through there. You can't really see it, but up the top there where that light is, me and Jai just squeezed through there. Beautiful.
Into the, I don't know where we're going, it's caves. Wow, this place is amazing. Getting busier now, we're just sort of leaving and everyone's coming. There's all these coached groups, I think. Yeah, I think we timed it quite well. We got here at about 10 o'clock. It's now about 12 and we sort of can't move. Yeah, I would definitely recommend coming earlier if you're going to come and visit. Yeah, should we have a look down there?
This here on the tray.
So much fun this week exploring the old town, Vegetable Village and Marble Mountain. Plus Jai has had so much fun at school. And of course Vietnam is gearing up for Tet, their new year. So we're going to have lots of that to look forward to soon.
Yeah.